Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by validating the VM hardware quickly. Open VM settings and make sure a virtual disk is present and prioritized in the boot order. If you intended to install, attach the correct ISO. Otherwise, unmount it to avoid a mismatched boot source. Also check firmware type, BIOS versus UEFI, because UEFI-only disks won't boot under legacy BIOS. Once done, save settings and power cycle, the VM, to observe whether the boot device is recognized by Vmware. Next, you repair the virtual disk and bootloader. Attach a live ISO or recovery media and boot into it so you can inspect partitions and file systems. Mount the root volume and run fsck or appropriate checks, then croot for Linux to reinstall grub, or use Windows recovery commands to rebuild the BCD. Make sure the VM's disk controller matches what the OS expects. Changing from IDE to SCSI can break drivers, so adjust controller type only when you finally remove the recovery ISO and boot normally to confirm the OS loads. If the VM still shows operating system not found, examine VMware logs and the VMX file for misconfigured boot options and verify the VMDK isn't corrupt. As a fallback, mount the VMDK on another VM to recover data or revert to a snapshot if available. One key troubleshooting tip: if changes fail, restore a clean snapshot before further edits to avoid permanent data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.